Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Copenhagen, I present to you Miss Annette Vogel.
Thank you very much. And thanks to all of us, for all of you, for showing up. I'm gonna read a poem for you that I'll say I downloaded not so long ago when I was in Hamburg, and I was having a very relaxed and joyful time listening to some beautiful piano music, and the signal on my phone went out, and then this inspiration came to me. Universe, you and I verse. Love. My love is not a Hollywood packet. My love is real. My love is a journey to dimensions of light and geometric forms, colorful portals of divinity, traveling through time, flowing in galaxies, rooted like a tree planted by the river in abundance, a flood of love, carrying conscious memories of ancient wisdom. I reach for the stars, and cosmic dust of eternity brings forth new inspiration. As we become one, to share and care, to guide and protect, to serve and let go of what we are, so we can become what we're really meant to be. My love is to serve humanity. So, my love, I'm seeing me in seeing you, and seeing you in seeing me. Now take the letters in the word we. Take the letters in the word me, M-E. Turn them upside down and mirror them. Now what do you see? We. We. Just let it be. My love is understanding. Love is sharing and caring. Love is warmth. Love simply is. Love simply is. You and I verse. Thank you.